Hey everybody, this is Dav Pilkey, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Big Jim. Okay, so we start out with a kind of a circle shape here. Put a couple eyes there, and a little circle there for the nose, and a line down, and a little smile. And it's got its chin there, and a few dots here, and a few dots there. Two little triangles for ears. And then we're going to draw a big circle for his body. And a few little whiskers on either side there. Now we draw kind of a curved line for his pants. The letter J, so everybody knows he's Big Jim. And then a cute little arm there with some stripes. And another little arm over here. A little hand and a few more stripes like that. Now his legs are kind of similar, just little tiny legs with some stripes. Another little leg here. Now his foot, stripe, stripe, stripe. And then the tail just kind of comes out like that. And add a few more stripes. And you're done. Put some grass down there for him to stand on. And hey, there we go. There's Big Jim. See you next time.